Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Foxy at 50. I'm Nude Black. So today I want to show you how to do a youthful smoky eye for nighttime glamour. Many women over 50 are afraid to use the smoky eye as they think it ages them. And unfortunately, if it's done incorrectly, that's actually true. But if it's done correctly, then not only will it give us that real pure glamour that we're looking for on a good night out, it will actually give us a more youthful appearance. Now I'm going to be using pink and like a charcoal colour. Now don't be put off with the pink. I used to think pink, oh my god, no way. The only way you could wear pink is with brown eyes. But it's actually very flattering on any skin, again, when it's put in the right place. So we all know like dark colours make us look thinner, and bright colours is when we want to, like say in a room, we want it to make it look bigger and brighter. Well, the same rules apply to eye makeup. So if we want to have something highlighted, then we use the bright sort of sparkly or just really bright colours. And then the bit that we don't want to highlight, then we're going to use the dark colours. So let's get started. I've already primed my eyes and I've put my foundation on. I've done my eyebrows because this video is just about doing the smoky eye, literally. And I've put some highlighter here on the brow bone. It's just like a little creamy white highlighter. And my eyebrows are tattooed, so that makes life so much simpler. Can't recommend that enough. And so it's easy for me to just go over them. And so that's it. I've just got foundation on, I've got my blusher on, but we're just going to do the smoky eye. Okay, so I'm just going to put on these little eye shields because some of the makeup I'm using is a little bit loose, so I don't want it coming down and ruining the rest of my makeup. That's about okay. Right then, so I'm going to start off using this lovely frosty pink in the corners of my eyes. And I just wet it a little bit just so that it sticks on a bit more. This is from MAC. I'll put the colours up in the description. So I want to emphasize this part of the eye. Okay. Let's get the other one. And that's about far enough up. You can go a little bit further, and just there you can see it there coming round, and you can just bring it round to there, getting in the corners, and maybe go up a tiny bit further because then we can blend it with the pink eyeshadow. Okay, cool. So as I say, that's from MAC, and I'll put the colour in the description. So now I'm just going to use this eyeshadow by NYX. It's like a cement colour. Again, I'll put the actual colour in the description. And today of all days, when I'm using it, it decided to break because I've used it that much that it's on its last leg, so it's in pieces at the moment. So I'm just going to apply that. So there's my highlighter. So I'm just going to apply this very subtle, I love this colour, I wear it all the time, just up to the eyebrow there, and just really underneath the brow. got some colour in that part of the eye. It's hard to describe that colour. It's like a cementy rosy colour, I think I would call it. And same for the other side. And then, of course, the name of the game is blend, blend, blend. So here we go. Just so that you don't have some stark line between your highlighter and your next colour. Any stark lines is going to look, well, a bit cheap and aging. When you blend well, it gives it that professional look. You don't have to be a professional makeup artist. Okay, so that's that. So now we've got our pink eyeshadow, which, as I say, don't be afraid of. If I can open it. And this is by Lancôme. It's a gorgeous little pink colour. And we're going to put that on the lids because that's the part that we want to emphasise. So I'm just applying the pink now to the lid and blending it that little bit with our frosted pink. Okay, so then a little bit of blending, and we can just blend that a little bit as well. Remember, this is for night time, so, but if you think that frosty look is too much, I like it, especially when I put on the eyeliner, because it gives such a beautiful contrast. But of course you can put less on if you think that's too much. Okay, so that was as I say, the Lancôme pink. I'll put the name in the description. So I've got, you know, a nice mixture of cheap and cheerful NYX, Lancôme, Christian Dior. Now this one, this is like it's not black, it's like a charcoaly gunmetal. I really like it. Here's my brush. So let's just, now we want to put this, as I say, in the right place. Let's start on this side. So we're just putting it in the crease. Like so. And then a little bit on the other side. Okay, and if you want it a little bit darker, you can just wet it a bit. And just a little bit more at the sides, just at the sides, outer corners. We'll see how that's looking with a bit of blending. Now, of course, you can put on a lot more of the darker shadow if you want to. I could put maybe a little bit more on the corners, the outer corners. And again, just blend, blend, blend. So although this eyeshadow looks very dark, it certainly doesn't come out that way, so you can apply more or less as you like. So now I'm going to put on some eyeliner on the inside of the upper lid, and this is a Charlotte Tilbury one. I think it's called Bedroom Black, so you know, you can read as you want into that. But it is very, very black. So you see, when I come to the corners, how it really highlights the pink. And that's a bit clumsy to do the actual corner, so I'm just going to get another eyeliner. This is Stila. I think I got this from Marks and Spencer's. Anyway, I will give you proper descriptions. I find the crayons, even when you sharpen them, they duck, they can't get the corners. Okay, so just make sure that that is all filled in. If you have any gaps, it doesn't look good at all. Okay, now just going back to our Christian Dior shadow, and we're going to just continue bringing it around. Just softly. Okay, so now you can decide whether you want to put eyeliner on the lower lid. I'm going to just put a splash in there because we haven't gone very dark. So, and although that does close up the eye, it's up to you whether you want to do that, but I still quite like it even though it does close up the eye. Okay, so a little bit of mascara. Again, this one is Vegalash. It's one of my favourites. Get the hair out of the way. It just goes on brilliantly. And you get lashes in seconds without applying loads. And just a bit on the lower lid. And we're nearly done. So it really doesn't take too long. So that's the finished look. I hope you like it. Pink and black, I used to, well, it's not really black, it's like a gunmetal. I used to think that only girls with brown eyes could wear pink eyeshadow. But if you just put it in the right place, anybody can wear it and any age can wear it. So I hope you like it. If you've got any comments or questions, do just pop them in the comments box and I will definitely get back to you. And I will leave the descriptions of all the makeup that I've used today. So if you haven't subscribed, then do subscribe and like. And if you ring the little bell, you'll get notifications of when the next video is released. So until the next time, I'm Nude Black. This is Foxy at 50. Stay safe, happy, healthy and well. Bye bye.